BareBeauty. So in today's video I'll be doing some marble polygel with some squiggly French with some foil on top of the nails. If you guys want to see how I did these nails, please continue watching. Going in with coral pink and apricot from Untitled Beauty, and I will just be applying this randomly on the nail, vice versa. Sometimes I went in with coral pink, the next minute I went in with apricot. So after I apply the polygel to the nail, I will then go in with my dotting tools to mix both polygel together to marble the nail. So after doing this, I'll ensure that I am satisfied, and I will go in with my Nailart brush to smooth out the nail. So I'll repeat the same thing on the other nail. So I'll go in with my apricot. As I said, I do this vice versa, so it doesn't really matter. And then I'll go in with my dotting tool to mix the two products together to marble the nail. And after doing this, I'll then go in with my Nailart brush. Now that I'm all done, look at this. My thumb is so lean. So I'll go in and take a cotton pad with acetone to remove the tacky layer. And after doing this, I'll then go in with my emery board to straighten up the nail. So this is what I do first. I'll go in with my emery board to straighten up the side walls of each of these nails. And then after doing that, I'll just go over each of the nails with the emery board. And then I will just go in with the e-file later on in the cuticle area, and just to ensure that the nails are smooth. So I'm always noting small holes in the polygel after filing or during the filing process. I don't know if it's the SIP solution that I use. I have used a lot of, SIP solution ideas, and I still get the results. I don't know if it's a product that is doing all this, but hey, it's not me. I find that I get a lot of holes sometimes, working with polygel. So after going with the filing, I will then go in with the nail art portion, creating this squiggly French onto the nails. They were so cute. So now I'm going in with my white to create this squiggly outline, and then I will go in and shading the rest of the squiggly French. I'll repeat this on each of the nails. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. But if you're not ready to subscribe, there's always another time. Also follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at BareBeauty Services. So these are the nails after I was through, and now I'm going in with the foiling portion, and I'll be going in applying the foil to the entire nail. So what I found out, I have done it recently and I keep on, creating that same mistake, is that I think that the foil will stick to a matted surface when in fact it does not stick. It only stick to the gel portion. So what I did, I went in with my regular gel top coat, go over each of these nails, cure for 30 seconds, and then I went in with the foil and it stick to each of these nails. After doing that, I will then go in again with the top coat again to do one last curing, make sure that the foil is encapsulated, and then I'll cure for 30 seconds, oil around my cuticles, and then I'll show you guys the reveal. I hope you guys liked today's video. Today's video was quite simple, self-explanatory, and I find that my videos are very beginner friendly. I do stuff that are, simple. So if you guys like what I post, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at BareBeauty Services, and I will definitely see you guys in the other one.